Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're plunging straight into a critical security feature, setting up two-factor authentication on Monday.com. Our first step is to log into your account. Now, the reason we do this is because you need to access your personal settings to enable two-factor authentication. After logging in, you'll want to head to the avatar on the bottom left and click on My Profile. This helps us because it leads directly to the settings page where you can manage your account's security features. Next up, on the profile page, you'll see a tab labeled Security. Click on it, and you'll find an option for two-factor authentication. You want to click on Enable. The reason we do this is straightforward. It's the core step to activate this feature, adding an extra layer of security to your account. The system will now prompt you to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone if you haven't already done so. Once you've downloaded the app, scan the QR code displayed on your screen. This is key because it syncs your account with the app, which generates time-sensitive codes you'll need every time you log in. After scanning the QR code, the app will give you a 6-digit code. Enter this code in the box on your screen, then click Verify. This helps us because it ensures the app is correctly linked to your account. Now that we've done that, congratulations! You've set up two-factor authentication on your Monday.com account. Every time you log in, you'll be asked for a code from your Google Authenticator app, making your account much harder for others to access without authorization. And that's it. Two-factor authentication set up, accomplished in just a few steps. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keeping your digital workspace secure is essential. Until next time.